On behalf of Dorman Products, welcome to the Performance Parts Expo 2020. I'm Lester Kovacs, Director of Ideation at Dorman. You might think you know us for things like our help products or our conduct-tight electrical components. Or, if you've been around the business a little longer, maybe you remember Dorman is the company that makes all the special fasteners and hardware you use to finish the job right. And you'd be right, we still do all that, but there's a lot more to Dorman today than just hardware. After more than 100 years in the automotive aftermarket, we've become a leader in developing new repair solutions that make the job easier and less expensive for service professionals as well as DIYers. Our direct replacement product lineup now includes everything from fuel tanks to wheel hardware, exhaust manifolds, preformed brake lines, instrument clusters, and much, much more. We've grown our coverage of chassis parts substantially, including control arms, ball joints, tie rod ends, and sway bar end links. In recent years, we've also expanded into several new categories, oftentimes with products that improve on the original equipment designs. When we offer a solution you can't get from the OE, we call it an OE fix, and you can only get OE fix from Dorman. Some of our OE fix products include drive shafts, which ship out for parcel delivery already balanced and ready to install, and they all include serviceable U-joints to simplify any future work. Other OE fix rust repair solutions include pickup bed and chassis repair kits that keep hard-working vehicles on the road longer for less money. These are just a few examples of how Dorman is working hard to innovate and bring new improvements to the automotive aftermarket. Here's something else you might not know about Dorman. We have more than 400 product designers, engineers, and supply chain professionals working from our headquarters in Colmar, Pennsylvania, and we have virtually unlimited potential to develop new products quickly, regardless of the category. We develop and test our designs to the highest standards because we're focused on giving technicians and owners the freedom to fix their vehicles their way well into the future. So, the next time you have a difficult repair, remember to check Dorman first.